Hey guys, how's it going? This is Mike from M&R Automotive. Today we're in a 2025 Ford Maverick and we've installed the M&R ditch light kit. I want to show you exactly how useful it is in addition to your lighting. So these are the factory low beams, these are the factory high beams, and this is the ditch light kit. The cool thing about the ditch light kit is that you can actually swivel it and pick the angle that you want. So if you want them facing forward like we have right now, or you can tilt them to the side in order to get a wider angle of view. So you get plenty of additional visibility. Let's do the cycle one more time. So this is the factory low, this is the factory high beam, and this is the ditch light kit. And once again, it's a spot beam pattern. And again, the cool thing about it is that way you can either aim it forward for additional light, or you could aim it outward into the ditches. Thank you guys for watching. I know you guys are gonna love this product, and please tune in to our other video where we provide step-by-step instructions how to install it onto the 25 Maverick.